Hi, today I'm gonna this will be an update to my former installation video of the framework Mithril. So here I have the terminal. So just open the terminal. You start a project by creating a folder, Mithril hello I call it, and I enter the folder and I write npm init yes to create an npm project. I then install webpack. I think you write like that. Takes a little time. So the thing that has changed has to do with the webpack configuration. So let's see what happens here. So after this, we will install the webpack-cli, which you also need. And this also takes some time. To install Mithril with npm is what they recommend, but you can also install it right in the script tag but more for development, I guess. So now we can install Mithril. It's pretty quick because it's a small library. And now let's see what we have. We have a node modules folder. We have a package.json file. Let's create an index.html file. Let's create a JS directory and an app.js file. I will open it in Atom. Do it a little bit bigger. So now we need to add config file for webpack. You name it webpack.config.js, and then you write module.exports equals, you need an entry point. I think you reach the app file like that, and an output filename, which we will call app.js. These instructions you can find on webpack.js.org. They are right here. You can check it out here. Blah blah blah. Correct. And we can we'll add the HTML markup and link to the source file. I think this will go in a folder will be created called dist. There it will go. You also need to add some scripts in your package.json file. Start script, which will say will run webpack, development mode, and a watch script, development mode -- watch. This will watch the files and package again if anything changes. So in our app file we will require Mithril, and we will render like this, I think. Hello world. Not sure if I forgot something, but let's try it out. npm run watch. So now it packaged the file. This folder turned up, dist, and there's an app.js file there. And so let's see if it works. I will open it in my browser like this, and it says hello world, so it works. Great. Thank you for watching, and welcome back next time.